Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove thread post suggestion from Instagram feed. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're annoyed by the new thread suggestions, you will be delighted to know that there is a way to remove threads post suggestions from your Instagram feed. Meta is putting in every effort to keep Instagram threads alive and thriving. Following the recent launch of the Threads website, they are taking another step by integrating Threads post suggestion directly into the Instagram feed. So, if you want to remove or hide this thread suggestion on your Instagram feed, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. As you can see, there is threads. There is a threads suggestion on my feed like this. And if you want to hide it or remove it from your feed, you don't want to see any feed again from your feed, you can tap on the three dots here, on threads here. Tap on the three dots. You'll see there is an option hide. You can tap on that. You can tap on hide. So the content will be hidden. You'll see posts from threads less often. Maybe this suggestion feed will be appear to your feed again, but will be less than before. You can see there is no more thread suggestion on my feed. So that is how to remove thread suggestion. So that is how to remove threads posts on suggestion from Instagram feed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!